Joe here. I mean PZ77777. Well, if you watch what I previously named my channel, it would be Noah. It would be Chadwell Clay the Will. I needed to whip off Chadwell Clay for a sec bit. I will be showing you my favorite guns. First favorite to least favorite. This section, primaries. Modules number 1. Number 2. Number 2. The Recon Mark II. Oh yeah. Number 3. It is obviously going to be a good plastic. And that is the Praxis. You will, depending on which one you want to buy. And number 5. Number 4. The Bell one. Or Bell Strife. I don't really like that one. Then number 5 is the Rampage. Oh yeah. The pistols. Number 1 is this. The Bell Hammer Shot. Oh yeah. The Bell Hammer Shot. Oh yeah. Number 2. Where is it? Where is it? The Triad. Number 2. Number 3. I like this one. It's so long. So long. Number 4. The Magic Fucking Strong Arm. And whatever to do strong arm is. Number 5. Number 5. The Magnus. Nerf Mega Magnus. Now, I'll show you some of my favorite combos. That's it. Bye.